Alhamdulillah. Finally, H2O, water, good for hydration. But sometimes I think about like this vending machine is very complex. But what can we just convert this machine into something that can convert plastic waste into useful things?
That's a great idea you have there.
So why not we try to make that happen?
Yes, let's get into it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And hi everyone, I'm Swarupa.
I'm Fakira Rauza.
I am Wise.
And
we are from MRSM Balik Pulau.
We are going to talk about our product,
Which is?
VENSTIC machine.
Have you ever wondered why does the plastic bottles your drink goes to, and why is it important for us to dispose properly those waste? Or what can you do with them? For your information, improper disposal of plastic waste lead to litter, which can have negative impacts on wildlife and the natural environment. Plastic that ends up in the ocean can be harmful to marine life and birds, which may ingest it or become entangled in it. Also, when plastic waste is not properly disposed of, it can leach chemicals into soil and water, which can then ingest by humans through the food chain. In addition, landfills are also filling up quickly, and proper disposal of plastic waste can help to extend the life of these facilities and reduce the need for new ones. These issues should be solved immediately to prevent all kinds of pollution from being spread vigorously, since it is important for the health of the environment and the people who depend on it. The product we have invented, based on our own original idea, will be able to transform a plastic waste into a useful item that someone desires. Our product is called VENSTIC machine.
This machine is created using the concept of vending machine. It involves the designing of the machine using computer-aided design (CAD) software, sourcing the materials and components needed to build the machine, and then assembling the machine using tools such as welders and screws. The machine is then programmed to accept money and dispense items when the appropriate buttons or selections were made. A compressor also will be attached and the molding section as an extra equipment in the vending machine. The outer part of the machine is decorated with some posters regarding the benefits of recycling of the waste to spread awareness while the customers wait for the machine to prepare the product. The VENSTIC machine is very easy to use, just like the normal vending machine we have used before. First thing you should do is insert any types of plastic waste. For example, plastic bottles into the trash bin-like compartment that is attached at the side of the machine. The waste will be lifted to the front inner part of the vending machine by using some bills of pipes that has been designed at the back of the machine. The process of suction is involved in lifting the waste to the top by attaching a pipe to one end of the pipe and creating a partial vacuum inside the pipe. This causes the atmospheric pressure on the outside of the pipe to push against the object, lifting it off the ground. The object is then held in place by the pressure difference between the outside and inside of the pipe. Then the customer will have to choose the design they desire through the screen monitor. The monitor is connected to an electronic control system that is responsible for controlling various functions of the machine. The monitor is used to display information to the user, such as the price and selection of available items, as well as to show messages or advertisements. It also allows the user to interact with the machine. The control system of the vending machine is responsible for managing the operation of the machine, including accepting payment and dispensing items. The monitor is used to display information to the user and to allow the user to interact with the machine. The waste will be then placed at a compressor compartment. The waste are compressed into smaller sizes using a stationary compactor, which is a large machine that uses a hydraulic pressure to compress the rubbish. The compressed waste is typically placed into a container to transport to the molding section. There is also deodorizing unit to minimize the bad odors escaping from the compartment. As I said, the compressed waste are transported to the molding section. This process involves heating a raw material such as plastic until it is in a molten state, and then injecting it under high pressure into a mold. The mold is a hollow cavity that is shaped like the final product. As the molten material is injected into the mold, it cools and solidifies, taking on the shape of the mold. Once the material has cooled and solidified, the mold is opened and the finished part is ejected. Finally, the end product is transported to the vending door, where the machine dispenses the items that have been purchased. The customer can see through the entire process that takes place in the machine when their item is being made, from plastic waste to the item they desire. First, you will have to insert any plastic waste at the side of the machine. Meanwhile, you will be choosing the mold or design you want your item to be at the screen monitor. Next, the compressor compartment will compress the plastic waste into smaller size. Then, it will be sent to the molding section where the compressed plastic waste will be turned into a new item that you have chosen earlier. Finally, the end product will be sent to the vending door where you can take away the end product of the machine. While watching the whole process of this machine through the glass, you also can look at the posters at the vending machine to get some benefits of recycling some plastic waste.
End product can be in any forms that the customer desire. For example, we insert a plastic bottle into our machine and you can choose it wherever you want it to be, whether is it mug, plate, jar, or even any shapes of souvenirs you need. You can even rent our product to convert those end product to another different useful items, which makes our product as an endless producing machine with no limits on it. Instead of us buying items that are needed in large quantities, this product can produce unlimited items repeatedly and can save the cost of buying a lot of items. Then the items that we don't use can be converted into another item that we need without wasting money and space for storing various items at home.
With this product, we can change the environment of the world. The marine's life can also be saved since 52% of world's turtles have eaten plastic waste.
This is because plastic bags looks like jellyfish, algae, or other species that make up a large component of the sea turtles' diets. With this product, we could prevent them, and we can also prevent people from throwing plastic waste everywhere, as well as burning it for the purpose of disposing it.
All the plastic can be rescued back with converting them into a useful item and also souvenirs. So, together,
Let's end plastic waste! Bye!